In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an engaging comment section in your Framer project by using pre-built components. This approach eliminates the hassle of coding a comment system from scratch and implements in the easiest way. To begin, we need to identify the precise component we will use. I want you to think of Framer Marketplace as a wonderful library full of useful pieces that we can utilize to build our projects. Within this marketplace, we are interested in any component that includes comments in its name or description. Simply browse through the components available in the marketplace, or make a quick search using the term Easy Comments. With either method, you should stumble upon a variety of great options for our purpose. Once you come across a component you fancy and deem perfect for your project, you need to acquire it for yourself. To do this, simply give the component a click. This action will open up the Components page. There, you will see an option to copy the component. A single click on this would add the component to your clipboard. Next, we need to integrate this copied component into your current Framer project. With the component copied, switch over to your Framer project. Navigate to the particular page on which you intend to add the comment section. Go ahead and paste the copied component onto this page. For Mac users, use the hotkey Command+V for this, and for Windows users, the hotkey is Control+V. Ensure you place the component at the desired location on the page. After pasting the comment section component, let's make it blend with your project's theme and style by customizing its looks. Upon selecting the component, a Properties panel will appear on the right side of the screen. This panel houses various customization options for colors, text, layout, and more. Use these options to modify the look of the comment section until it matches your website's aesthetic. Lastly, if the comment section is being added to a blog that runs on Framer's content management system, or CMS, we must assign a unique identifier to the comment section component. This step is crucial to ensure that the comments belonging to each individual blog post are kept separate and organized. It's as simple as giving the component a unique ID, and voila, you have successfully created a comment section in your Framer project. Enjoy engaging and interacting with your audience through this newly installed feature.